Hindi, yung Aurora guys, walang pinakitang pangit sa akin. After na lang akong i-kick ko. Mababait tong mga to. Yung sahod ko dito, malaki din naman.
Yo, man.
Nasaan na? Wala, ayun na pala yung bag, 26 seconds.
Magkano chip?
Ay, ito. Ano?
1M.
1M? Yung alin, tol? Yung sahod ko dito? 750 lang, tol, kasi nakalahati na eh.
Ah.
Yung ina, nagagago na naman. Ay, teka lang, Sans. Panood muna tayo ng vlog. Sabihan mo lang ako pag FM net, ha?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Gago, ba't may ganun siya?
I do content.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Gago, ang pogi nung ano.
Sagi, he's the
Ang pogi ni Kaoki, napansin ko.
food, etc. Okay.
Lakasan mo, yan.
How do we call you? Naive, TA, your real name?
Your name, which one do you want?
Айбек is fine. Айбек.
Ibek.
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 Miss Dota.
You miss Dota?
So
Ibek.
good.
Ibek. Okay,
When's
Ibek.
the last time you played PUBG?
Okay, Ibek. Si Ibek yan, ha? Si Ibek, ha?
Pagka-pop ko nga yan. Pagka-pop ko yan. Ibek.
Mid-Januel, RBX.
It's actually surprising.
Uy, si Joe yun. Pinasa ko kay Joe. Baka kumaki, hindi ako.
It's like CS, yeah, but
Yeah.
Play with proud.
And you get Crimson Witness. You get the treasure.
Wait, did you get a Crimson Witness? You got 3? Holy shit.
Huh?
Gift.
I sell it.
RBX, Mid-Januel Dota. Best Post 5.
Let's go.
Pino yung nilotol. Yung video, yung content creator ng Aurora guys.
Alin, boss?
Ito yung nagtatrabaho dati sa TNC. Tropa namin yan, si Neil.
What Malaysian food have you already got?
Saan bootcamp ng Aurora? Malaysia.
Indonesian rice.
Paano ko lang tol, masingit ko lang, yung bootcamp sa Malaysia ng Aurora, probably the best bootcamp na ano ko. Na ano tol, na experience ko. Best bootcamp ata sa Aurora.
Nasi lemak.
I don't know, they making rice.
Dito chip. Contra chip is 3-3.
Tundra si 3-3, legit ba? Na-announce na? Sabi nila Saberlight offlane daw eh.
Legit.
Noodles. This is spring
Liquid yun.
noodles.
Liquid nga si Saberlight, tapos 3-3 bumalik ng
This is the
Tundra.
national food of Malaysia.
Legit na Mel announce na. So, ito ano, grabe no? Pagkatapos mo na ng TI, lipat lang.
Oh, how much? $1 in local.
$1 is about 4.5 ringgit. Yeah. So let's say this is about maybe $6.
Satanic Solid
Yeah.
Teams Fury. Tutol, gogo, walang yayo.
Cheap or expensive in your opinion?
In
Both
airport, cheap, I guess.
The price in
But
like
it's weird. I once stuck in Malaysia. I go to Burger King. I bought menu for like $5 or $6. But when I stuck
Solid
in
food
Turkey,
trip dyan. Oh, tol, sarap ng food trip sa Malaysia, tol. Wala ata akong kinakain na hindi ako nasasakapan dito sa Malaysia. Tang ina eh.
32
Russian pala to si ano, tol? Si TA2000? O hindi lang Russian yung may ganong accent. Kasi ganun yung accent ng Russia eh, di ba?
Holy.
Same.
Holy moly. Same stuff. 30 euros
Kazakhstan?
more.
Kazakhstan is considered Russian ba? Or hindi?
What?
Yeah, I mean, bro, that is Southeast Asia for you.
yeah, welcome to Southeast Asia. USD is strong here.
But why price is so cheap?
It's airport. By the way, this is considered expensive. In Malaysia.
Bro, we're an
Ah,
airport.
Asia yung Kazakhstan.
This bad news. I wanted to lose some weight.
Dito sa Bicol, save ko niya magsalita. Tangina mo, witty mo dun ah.
That's new.
Parang tahimik niya, no, Chip? Ang tahimik ni Kaori.
Hindi na siya salita, tol.
Like milk, cereal, and because tomorrow we're gonna go to the grocery shop. I think if you want, you can go with us. Like, and then you just pick up whatever you want.
Bobo.
Rating?
Yeah.
6.
6 out of 10 for chicken rice.
Ganda, hindi ko pa alam ba?
I like it, but it's too spicy.
Okay. No, next time we can get the one no spicy.
But great.
No, but how? Give the rating. Out of 10. 5. If it's not spicy, what is your rating?
7.
Oh.
Louis Vuitton. Let's go.
Louis Vuitton already won a ball.
Time has come.
Time for scam.
Time has
Time has come for Naeem to get his first bag that he will ever use.
Uy, dito ako bumili ng unan ko! Ang ina, napaalala pa. Reminiscing, dyan yung unan ko, yung maganda unan dyan eh. Kasi pinapanood ko pa yung vlog ng Aurora, putang ina! Ang sama, ang sama! Sobrang daming traumang na, nababalik.
Alright.
Chip, live mo nga sa Discord, Chip. Late ako, Chip.
Sige. Gago, nababalik yung mga trauma, Legit lang.
That's all.
Ayun dyan yung unang ko nun eh.
Alin una mo dyan? Baka dyan, ha?
Di ko na matandaan. Hindi, maganda yung ano ko, gago. Alam mo yung unang ko sa Aurora, dalawang unang ko 10k, gago. Isang unan ko 10k. Binili ko. Ang ganda. Tapos naiwan ko lang dun, sinilata na kinabang. Tangin, sa nag-iwan ako ng tamo dun sa unang ko, pakatang ina nun nil.
Here? Where are we?
Wisit na.
We're in mall buying some sleepy stuff for me.
But why do you have a grocery cart?
Sayang tuloy, gago.
I want to drive something. You're not letting me drive car.
Sinil lang na kinabang nun, guys, sinil.
So I have to drive something.
Ako nagbayad. Hindi, ako naman may option. Ako naman namili nun, nabibili ako ng unan.
Yeah? Or are they all same? Holy shit, they're so good. I was reading how to...
You know how to pick a mango?
Yeah. It should be a bit soft.
A bit soft, but not too yellow.
Yeah.
It's not every day that a player joins us for our grocery runs, no?
It's very.
Congratulations, it's the first.
No, I'm lazy too. I just wanted to buy
Promote
this
ba nga si Gabi? Kaya nga eh.
See never again.
I will never see you again.
Naalala ko yung unan.
When's the last time?
10k unan, tas si Santi ka lang. Hindi, okay lang tol. 750k per month naman ako dito eh. Kasi nung una kong ano dito guys, 1.5M talaga yung sahod ko sa Aurora. Tapos nakalahati lang kaya naging 750k nung natanggal ako.
Why do you have like 3 different water ball
Chip, wala si
brands?
Kaori, Chip, no? Ano yun? Parang ano siya?
Weird nerd, ganun.
Oo.
Oo. Baka,
Best
baka.
water.
This makes sense, no?
What a hard-working pro player.
Legit 1.5 Tang, ina nyo sana all, ano ako, TI champion. Gago pala kayo. Binibait ko lang kayo, mga ulapong. Gago na yung idol abid namin, pogi talaga. Wait lang, nakatingin ako, naka-sweatpants kasi sabi, chinecheck ko kung malaki tite. Wala pang buwabakat ngayon, mukhang malambot lang.
Dapat parang kamukha ko si Abit, no?
Anything but pork, yeah?
Saan dyan?
Okay. Chicken rice. Chicken rice? Okay. Chicken rice. Double meat chicken rice.
Wala pang bumakat kanina guys, napansin natin Di trash talk yun, baka sabihin nyo trash talk na naman. Pinupuna lang natin, oy.
I have a question, Jebs.
Abit job
Do
ulit,
you
no?
believe that you only need one Pinoy to be a good team?
Yes, sure. More than one is.
More than one, tangina nyo, tinanggal nyo nga. Tangina talaga ni James, naalala ko na naman yung muka.
You guys on the same game? So anyway,
Pipi ko na ako.
very fairly
Sa
simple.
employee.
Ba't parang malit yung ano nila, Chip? Malit yung bootcamp.
Hindi, ano kasi to? Yung bootcamp kasi neto tal hanggang third floor o fourth floor? Fourth floor ata, fourth floor. Bali, second floor itong bootcamp Ay, yung gaming room.
Gaming room.
Tapos may third tsaka fourth. Tapos nasa fourth floor ako, gago. Tangina mo, exercise talaga. Kaya nga nababatrip ako dyan Ayun yung medyo concern ko dyan. Nasa fourth floor ako ang puta. Kung ba nagising ako na madaling araw, tol. Hindi ako makakuha ng pagkain nang hindi ako napapagod. Di ba kung gusto ko lang uminom ng tubig or kaya kumukot sa second floor pa. Gago. Legit guys. Hindi joke yun. Kaya hindi na ako umiinom tuloy ng tubig. Pag naano ko na madaling araw.
Don't turn off this one. Never.
Pag akyat mo, uho ka ulit. Legit. Ganun talaga pakiramdam. Pag akyat mo, uho ka ulit.
Fridge is here is kind of stocked, so snacks are here. Snacks are here.
Ba't di ka pumayat? Putang ina mo, isang buwan lang ako, natanggal agad.
We have it here.
Pumayat pala
Then
Gago ka pala
Your jersey
Tarantado, puta.
have to come later. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone to
Spit.
another really busy season of Dota. It's gonna be quite busy, which is
Beat
good.
boss.
Which is good. A lot of tournaments. It's a good fucking thing, right? So we have
Pero,
players
ano Jeff,
from
no?
3
Pag
different
una
teams.
awkward pag ano,
Quest,
different region kayo.
Blacklist, and Aurora.
Pag di parent
Now
region.
we're the new Aurora.
Usually naman ata sa mga ganyan wala naman talaga nagsasalita. Nagsasalita lang yung coach tsaka captain.
I mean, yung after ng ano, mga game, di ba? Yung after scream, parang di kayo nag-uusap, parang ganun.
Oo, hindi talaga. Kahit sa secret ko tol, ginagawa ko doon
Parang
mag-
trabaho lang talaga.
parang
di nag-uusap, no?
ganun. Oo. Hindi, sa secret ko naman, nagbabanding sila. Kaso kasi, parang ewan ko, hindi ako na, mga pang ano kasi yun tol, yung banding nila mga hanggang 3 a.m.
Ah.
So, nangyayari pagkatapos ko mag-Dota, pagod na ako. Tutulog na lang agad ako. Sila, nagbabanding sila hanggang 3 a.m. eh.
Plus, you know, all your past experiences and, you know, and all the other teams that you guys took part. We take the good from all your past experiences, right? Cut the fat and try our hardest to, you know, drop the baggage from the other teams. Remember that you guys are all here not because of who you were in your last season, but
May ano pala eh.
but who you can become.
Gago, naka-script si Sanbi. Si Pital.
Kaya nga, binabasa
Ayun na,
lang.
binabasa eh. Usually, hindi nag-ano to eh. Kaya pala tinanggal cut dapat. Kaya nga, tol, wala nga mataba ngayon sa ako, ano?
Right? The past doesn't really fucking matter.
Kasi hindi rin naman sila ganun kapangitan lahat, tol. Konti lang pangit dito eh, kung iisipin natin, no? Tangina eh, di pa ni
Ayun,
Sapta.
no? Nakita
Oo,
ko.
napapansin ko na yun, no? Kung ano yun lang, kung i-analyze natin, no? Panis sa talon to, tangina, dun talaga kompleto yung double cuts eh.
So we're going to practice hard. We're going to play hard. We're going to rest hard.
Tangina.
Especially in a season like this with a lot of flights, a lot of traveling, and a lot of tournaments, we have to pace ourselves. So we'll try our best to balance this, but the ultimate responsibility of performance falls on each and one of you, right? Last thing, team culture. I want a lot of things, but it's really simple. I want a team of good vibes. Team of good vibes. You know, respect.
Latok sa talon. Gogo,
and
wag nyo ganyan yung mga talon. Nagpapatawa lang ako, guys.
Aurora is a very good organization. They will do stuff for you. You know, they pay you well. They pay you on time. They will do everything that you want them to do so that you can perform. You know,
Ako legit.
this is an
Ako
incredible
one of the
opportunity.
best org, tol.
You know, if
No problem at
decides
all.
Tomorrow that Dota 2 pro gaming is no more, we're all out of jobs. So while we have this incredible job, this incredible opportunity, let's not let it go to waste.
Ganda. Chip, let's
Let's
go
be
to waste,
thankful
Chip.
of what
Kaya
we
nga
have
eh.
and, like, just do it well.
Gago, si Sanbi pala nagbabalik ng apoy ko.
Yes.
I mean, what
Nice.
Nice.
Kaya nga eh.
Break the enemy.
Gago, binabalik ni Sanbi yung apoy ko. Legit.
Yep, that's really it. Welcome.
Wala bang
everyone.
speech ng mga players
It's
dyan?
gonna be a good.
Wala, walang
Hey,
wala
I'm really
nag-speech
excited.
dyan.
I'm actually really excited.
Si Jab siguro.
Pagka ano ata, pagka may mga speech pa, kung mga mag-i-introduce pa, medyo cringe eh. Hindi ba?
Meron yun, ganun yun eh. Yung parang expectation, mga ganun, di ba? Wala yung ganun.
Cringe yun. Dati lang yun. Ngayon cringe yun.
dati.
Oo. Wag na yung ganun.
Ano
Saan mo dyan, Chip? 1.2M?
1.5M.
1.5.
Tapos
1.5.
nung nakita ko kasi may 50% na may 50% off kaya naging 750 na lang.
Same.
Oo.
So Sushi is the best place to go. You have both.
Kung nagka-Oreo, ayaw magkalita pop.
Kaya nga. Kaya nga ba?
Where is the most expensive dish?
I don't know if I want to. The most expensive, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, 450.
I want it.
First yun na, let's tell Saya. 450.
Sa Blacklist siguro ganun. Hindi, ganun din naman dati kami sa TNC tal, parang mga expectations, ganyan-ganyan.
Can finish.
Pero feel ko lang naman, opinion ko lang naman yun, na parang hindi na siya necessary dahil syempre, very common lang sasabihin mo eh, expectation, gusto mo mag-qualify, gusto mo maging maganda yung run mo pag nag-qualify ka, gusto mo makapag-TI, gusto mo makapag-REA, di ba? Parang same lang. So, feel ko hindi na siya ano. Pero man, yung chip, yung 1.5M. Hindi tol, every 2 years yun. Di lang umabot.
Unlimited budget.
Unlimited, trust me.
Trust me, bro.
I bet it's got us, guys. I bet it's got us.
Just order before Eric gets here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, so there's no choice already. Very smart, very smart.
Yeah. Yes.
you, the one that Eric's gonna come.
Too late, guys. We're too late. Did you get the order? Alright.
Di pa tayo magdodonate?
After yan, Chip.
Sige. Saan malaki sahod mo, Chip, Aurora or Secret? Sa Aurora, tol. 800k lang kasi ako sa Secret eh.
You want to say anything with this?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, say to camera.
Happy birthday.
Idol ko.
I think this is the drinks menu.
This is the alcohol menu.
Oh, we are very
Haram. No, I get
Sino
it.
yan, Chip? Sino yan?
we're very
Sino yan?
Ano yata nila yan? Bago manager lang ata, tol. Kasi si Eric Cor, yung ano niya sa Aurora, tol. Ano siya eh?
Parang general.
General siya, general manager. USD? Hindi tol, hindi USD.
Kaya nga.
800k lang. PHP.
Bakit nakasalamin yung isa saan? Para sa Xbox.
Kaya nga, ang cool naman ito ni GA2000.
Sometimes. If I don't get lazy.
Never seen him go to gym and KL before.
Hey, he did sometimes, like twice a month.
Baka may tulad siya ni Ethel ngayon.
Kaya,
more than that.
Ano?
Do you go to
Baka
gym?
meron
now?
siya tulad nung sa'yo ngayon.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually like every day.
Oh shit.
Not every day.
namumula.
2 days.
800 800k rupees daw, tol.
Beef and egg for the breakfast.
Oh yeah, I saw your orders.
Beef, egg.
Ano next ko na talaga yung case? Ano ata, Pop?
So clean.
Race truck.
So clean.
Next tournament, race truck.
Nangyari kay Eto. Di ko nga din alam nangyari sa mata mo, Et.
Ano nang araw, Chip? Hipon. Yung sinigang na hipon.
Oo.
Tapos, kumano sa mata ko yung ano, yung parang ano niya, di ba pag pinuga mo yun, parang may tatalsik.
means still alive?
Tas sumalsik sa mata mo.
Ang init.
Nainggit kasi ko sa kinakain nila. Gago, solid nga kinakain nila, tol. Eh. Solid nga, yung bukod.
Happy birthday.
Tangina, naalala ko na naman. May mga birthday pa. Kinantahan din nila ako, guys. Naalala ko. Naka-vlog din yun. Tangina, kinantahan ako. Birthday ko yun.
At mas mataas tawad sa Blackfit or sa Big. So make out of Pop.
Daming tako mong nalalabas. Tangina kasi. Sino ba kanina bang idea to? Kape ko.
Wala, kaya na, Chip.
Tapos na eh.
Pahin match na lang.
See this here, right?
Okay. Tapos na naman nata to. Okay, FM ko na. FM na guys. Dota na lang. Tangina. Accept. Wala na, tapos na guys. Dami lang na, yung nag-suggest nun, El sa'yo. Tangina, ang dami lang traumang naalala. Wala na, ang dami ng ano, tol. Suplado ba si Jabs? Hindi, mabait si Jabs, tol. Pagka nakausap mo yun si Jabs, mabait lang yun. Chill guy lang.